Okay, so for today we are going to look at 5-finger patterns number 14 and 15. These deal with inversions of chords, and inversions of a chord is just when you take the notes of the chord and you put them in a different order. That's all that is. So, for example, if you have your chord in C major, and so you have a 1, 3, 5 root position triad. When you invert it and you put it in first inversion, you're going to take the bottom note, which is a C, and you're going to put it on top, but you're going to keep the other two notes the same. And for this first inversion, we're going to move our hand so that it uses 1, 2, and 5 finger. So that is our first inversion. Then to do our second inversion, we're going to again take the bottom note, this time an E, and we're going to put it on top, and we're going to keep the other two notes. So we have a G, a C, and now the E's on top. And that is our second inversion triad. And then we can invert it one more time, putting the G on top, and you see we are back with our root position triad. So triads have 2 inversions every time. It's always first inversion, second inversion, and then back to roots. So for your inversions, you're going to have a set of fingering that you use the whole time. So it's 1, 3, 5, and then when we move it to the next one, it is 5, 3, 1 in your left hand, and 1, 2, 5 in your right hand. And then the next one, you're going to have 5, 2, 1 in your left hand, and 1, 3, 5 in your right hand. And then you're going to move again to root position. So I'm going to go ahead and play number 14 in both C and F so you can see. 1, ready, go. Root position. First inversion. Second inversion. Root position. Now if we do it in F, you'll have to see just some of my hands for this one. So we're in F, we have an F, an A, and C. So those are our 3 notes that we are going to use for the inversion the entire time. 1, ready, go. Root position. First inversion. Second inversion. So now that you have an idea of how that works, we're going to move to number 15, which is going to utilize the 4 chord in second inversion. And so if we're in the key of C, that means that C, D, E, F, the 4th chord in that scale is an F major chord, and so we have a C major root position, and then if we move to F major for the 4th chord, that's like a really big jump. But if we utilize the second inversion of that F chord, which again is, let's see, F, A, C, A, C, F, it's C, F, A, then it's actually not very far that our hand has to go between a C root position and a 4 chord in second inversion. So that's what we're utilizing there. So let's give this one a try. 1, 2, ready, go. So again, if you notice, we had the 1 chord, we went to the 4 chord, which was this 4 chord in second inversion, back to the 1 chord in root position, and then we have our 5/7 chord and back to 1. And we can do that in every single key. As you see, we're going to start in D now. So we're going to jump up 1, and remember that we have an F sharp and a C sharp. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we'll jump up to F. 1, 2, ready, go. Notice on that one that our 4 chord included the B flat. If you have something in the key signature, it's going to exist no matter what you do. So it's not going to go suddenly, that you're not suddenly going to not have a B flat. You're always going to have a B flat. So know that even if it's not showing it. And lastly, we have G. 1, 2, ready, go. Hope that helps.